Hi, my name is Abhishek Rai and I work for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix service and server count related problems on new end user portal. For example, servers associated with service offering instance are not appearing on new end user portal. During the demo activity, we'll talk about the problem statement, steps to review the cause, and REST call to fix it. Let's switch to new My Cloud Services console and take a look at this problem. Okay, I'm on a new My Cloud Services console and under the My Resources section. This problem generally comes after the migration process. In case something went wrong during the migration process, then you may see a problem where the services or service doesn't have the server associated with it. In case you have a service, for example, demo-2-1, when you click on it, you don't see a server associated with it. You won't be seeing the data related to server which is associated with the service. And the other scenario is that you may see this information in the legacy console, but not on the end user portal. To fix this problem, the first step is to make sure that the service offering instance has got a valid relationship in the backend. So for example, if you switch to bmc.core:bmc_service offering instance, and here is my SOI name, demo-2-1, make sure that it has got a valid relationship with the resource set. And if it is, then the second thing which you need to review is the CMDB row level security. Review the information under this field, and you can copy it on a notepad if you would like to. Close it down, switch back to the relationship, make sure that resource set and other associated relationship are having the same attribute values for CMDB row level security. For example, if I select that, click on view related CI and review the values, then it should have the same permissions or same values over here as well. If they do not, then you would like to go ahead and update it. And once you update it to resource set and compute container associated to that service, then you would like to rebuild the server and resource set index. There are two ways to do that. The first is to switch back to your cloud administration console and switching to configuration workspace. There is a sync index button which you can run it, but that may take a while in case you have a very huge infrastructure. To avoid that happening, you can open a REST client, and I'm going to open SOAP UI, and there are two calls which you would like to run in a sequence. The first one is resource set index, which is going to build the resource set index from the scratch. And here is a call for that. It's going to be the post call, your protocol, platform manager host name, port, and then the resources CSM, resource set index, sync all. And then once you run this and it gets successful, you can switch back to the server index, which is gonna be again the post call, same endpoint, and then resource will be CSM, server index, sync all. These two REST calls will make sure to rebuild the indexing for resource set and then server. And once that gets completed successfully, you should be able to see the exact service and then server count on new My Cloud Services console. I hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this.